Hi, in this video we are going to do some exercise on entering data in Excel sheet and see some basic functions and formula of the Excel. So let's start. For example, I just wanted to have a 10 members or 15 members team where I just wanted to get their serial number, name, and that what is the salary they are getting. And after getting the salary, I want to check how much salary all these 40 or 15 members got and what is the average of the salary has been received. Okay, so I need three details. So heading, serial number, so I will put yes serial number, name. I'm just selecting the cell and keep typing. Okay, salary. Okay, now as soon as I have to enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? This is the one kind of long cut method. If you have to enter a lot of details, so what you can do is you just type 1 2 3 and just drag it. Okay, and if you observe, it has been filled the data automatically. Okay, so I want 15 members, so I'll have 15 members. Okay, so I'll cover this video. This like one separate topic for this, how to do and that called flash filling. So it is very useful and very cool feature. So as of now, just I have entered the 15 members. One is got 14, so I will enter the 15. Now I'll, instead of entering 15 members name, it will take time, so I'm typing person 1 and I'll type person 2 and I have just flash fill. Okay, so I'll cover on the flash fill just how we can do. So after entering 1 2, if I enter control E, so control E, if I enter control E, automatically Excel will recognize the pattern, what is the pattern is given, and based on that it will fill the data. Okay, now I will enter the salary, random salary, anything can be. So 13,000. Okay, just making little bit faster. Okay, so now I got serial number of employee, name and salary. Now I want to see what is the total salary has been paid. So I told you in the previous we can use the formula. And what is the formula for total getting total? So if I want to see total here right after the end of the what is series, right? So straightforward, I can press equal to sum is the formula for that, sum, and click select all those cell where I want to see the formula that value, and close the bracket and hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, you can see that I got the total 1,80,000 rupees has been paid for this user. Okay, so total salary, right? Total salary. Now I want to see what is the average, right? Average of salary is paid. Average salary, right? What is the average salary? How we can get it? So I have to equal to average. Okay, and selecting that cell, I got, see, I have not selected this one because this is the total and this is the sum. So this is, if you see, I have entered data in the row and columns, and I got 15 members users data entered, like salary, what is the salary and how much has been paid. The similar way we can have, like for 1 month, January, February, each month these people are getting what are the salary, and at last we can have the total how much for whole year has been paid. Say for example, you are selling some product, or you are going to work one organization where you have to capture all the product details, right? So you can have product name, product description, okay, what is the price, what is the purchasing price, what is the selling price, what is the difference between purchasing and selling, so you can get the what is the net profit on that, right? Or any discount is that. The similar way you can have all those things here. Hope you have understand. In next video we are going to see find and replacement. Thank you very much for watching.